of each and every one of you. You have overcome so many obstacles this year, and you continue to be a source of inspiration and great joy for so many. After all these years, every time you take the field, I can't help but smile and say to myself, that's my band. Wow, that's my band. Thank you for continuing to show me that anything is possible and that we truly can do all things through Christ who strengthens us. Remember those three key ingredients to tonight's success. Number one, number two, and of course there is number three. Thank you guys for everything you are. I love you very much. Oh yeah, one more thing. I forgot to give you a phone message yesterday. We have officially received the invitation, so pack your bags and don't forget the sunscreen. Because in December 2012, you are performing at the 50th anniversary of the Pearl Harbor Memorial in Hawaii. Ladies and gentlemen, it is with great pride that I get to introduce what I think is one of the best bands in the state of Georgia. Now taking the field, the Central Carroll High School Marching Pride. Their band director is Mr. Neil Logan. Assistant band director David Trumbull. Principal is Miss Dana Harmon. Superintendent Mr. Scott Powell. Drum major is Becca Allred. Other student officers include Captains Morgan Driscoll, Caroline Allen, Brooke Gordon, Sarah Martin, Rory Surratt, Shannon McKinnon, and Mindy Brown. Our color guard instructor Melody Lopez, Ozzie Mohead, and Brandon Davis. Percussion instructors Jerry Bumgardner and Katie Bird. Our drum major instructors Kristen Huckabee and Corey Newton. Our band booster presidents Bill and Salida Walker. Drum major Becca Allred. Is your band ready? Ladies and gentlemen, the Central Carroll Marching Band.
For thousands of years, the perfect balance of sun, water and soil, combined by Mother Nature in perfect harmony to create life beyond normal existence.
We are right on the cusp of being able to say that life does exist in other forms.
All of our searching is leading to one ultimate question. What is up with the potato?